Welcome to your user-friendly Spanish lesson. ¿Dónde está?
Means where are you, he, she, or it.
Repeat the following Spanish after me.
Where is the instructor?
¿Dónde está el instructor? ¿Dónde está el instructor?
Where is the director?
¿Dónde está el director? ¿Dónde está el director?
Where is the humor?
¿Dónde está el humor? ¿Dónde está el humor?
Where is the sector?
¿Dónde está el sector? ¿Dónde está el sector?
Where is the error?
¿Dónde está el error? ¿Dónde está el error?
Great job. Let's review.
Repeat the following Spanish in unison with me.
Where is the instructor?
¿Dónde está el instructor?
Where is the director?
¿Dónde está el director?
Where is the humor?
¿Dónde está el humor?
Where is the sector?
¿Dónde está el sector?
Where is the error?
¿Dónde está el error?
Excellent. Repeat this video throughout your day until it becomes second nature. The words similar in English and Spanish that we have seen until now are called cognates. Don't memorize this list. But can you recognize these Spanish words ending in OR?
Actor. Administrador. Auditor. Captor. Sensor. Color. Conductor. Constructor. Defensor. Director. Doctor. Editor. Error. Factor. Horror. Humor. Inspector. Instructor. Inventor. Labor. Mentor. Motor. Pastor. Profesor. Protector. Reactor. Receptor. Reflector. Retractor. Selector. Sector. Supervisor. Terror. Tractor. Tutor. Vapor.
These are just some examples. When you're reading or listening to Spanish, if you're alert, you will find a lot more. In future lessons, we'll discover other kinds of cognates and build your vocabulary fast.
Visit our special link in the description below this video for even more resources.